YouTube, let's do How Soon Is Now by the Smiths. When I play along with the recording, you got to play stuff capo at the second fret like Johnny Marr does. But we're going to learn it without a capo. E and E7 are the main verse. It's in the key of E. And then they go to E7. They alternate. And then G, A, and the sun on the air, the shyness that is criminal, vulgar. Alright, that's that section. Just those three chords make up that section. E and E7, G, A. And then that's the next part where they go to the what does he say? Shut your mouth. How can you say I go about things the wrong way? So that is start on the E. Shut your mouth. B. How can you say G, A? Go about things the wrong way. Then the next part is C. Human and I need to be G, A. B, D, E. All right, that's pretty much it for that song. All right, thanks for watching. Have fun playing it. Bye.